This is the Viral Tea Fit Concealer. As you can see why it has gone viral. So let's try this out and see if this actually works. This is the one that I'm going to use. Spots on this side versus the spots on this side does give really nice coverage. Is it a first swipe concealer and it just hides everything? No, you have to build it up, you have to work it in, especially if you have scars and marks like acne marks or something, and also you have scars around it, so it will be kind of a process that you have to build the coverage. The smoothness of this product is very nice, that does not feel anything at all on my face, that I've applied something on my face, it doesn't feel like it. So that is there. This is a good product, yes, but it did not do that magical thing for me, like the one swipe and all your scars are just concealed. That it did not do for me. If you have had different experience with this product, then you can comment down and tell me. Otherwise, a good product, and that is my experience with this viral product. Okay, bye bye.